Mystic Rhoads Productions at Burwood Beach. It's been about maybe 3 or 4 hours we've been working. And as you can see, making a lot of progress. One problem that this beach had was that Hurricane Gustav just passed over. We have Francine working here today who's doing an environmental project at Sam Sharp Teachers College, and she brought all these people with her from D-side Trelawney and North Trelawney, and they're helping us clean all this garbage up here. You can see all the baby mosquitoes swimming around in there. Working hard. Helping out. Standpipe that basically does this all day. The lock off is broken on it, and nobody's come out to fix it, so we're gonna fix that. So we're not. Change them. Who's gonna say?
Many hand make light work.